Hey kids, thank you for joining Mr. Oopy's Art and Craft. Today, we are going to be making a Christmas tree filled with lots of decorations and sequins, just like this one. We are going to need the following items. Our Christmas tree templates, which I will show you very shortly how to make. Glue stick or PVA glue, sequins, more sequins, ruler, pencil, scissors, Textor. These are our templates ready to go with our 4 points on each side. Then by the end of it, we will be able to slot the two trees in together so it sits like this. Great! We are ready to make our Christmas tree template. Cut out a square, fold it in half. Using your pencil and ruler, we're going to draw the shape of the Christmas tree. If you like, you can draw dot points like Mr. Oopy did to make it easier. Well done! Open the card. From the center of the Christmas tree, we are going to draw a line downwards. That's it. Next, fold it back in half and we're going to cut from the lines that we have created. I am looking forward to making a Christmas tree with you. Great, open the card. Let's cut through the middle of the Christmas tree from the pencil guideline. That's it. That's part one. Then repeat the process, but this time when you draw a line in the middle, start from the middle and draw a line upwards. It's time to make our Christmas tree. Using any kind of card, Mr. Oopy's using green to shape your Christmas tree. Draw a line in the middle. And let's make another Christmas tree. Another line in the middle, working upwards. Great! It's time to cut them out. Follow the lines. I am looking forward to decorating the Christmas trees with you. That's one. Let's cut out number 2. Cut through the middle. And let's get our first Christmas tree and cut it from the top. And you have 2 slits, one at the bottom and one up the top. Super! Let's get our sequins and our glue. You can use any shaped or coloured sequins. You can also use any kind of glue, a glue stick or PVA glue. In this first one, I'm going to be using glue stick. And I'm going to stick on my sequins. And I've got some purple reindeers. This time I'm going to use the PVA glue. Let's see, we'll put on a reindeer. I like yellow, blue. Fantastic! Now, switch the cards over and let's repeat that process. Add in your favourite colours and sequins. Or if you like, you could even add glitter. Ta-da! There we have it. Now it's time to put the Christmas trees together. Slide the cards through the middle. There you have it. Brilliant! You have just made a colourful Christmas tree. Excellent work, my friends. A big clap for you. Until next time, it's bye for now from Mr. Oopy.